my Six Flags analysis, I had the Skyscreamer, so I'm just going to go through a couple of the basic ones. The linear speed I got was 2.49 meters per second, and the angular speed we know is different because of where you're placed on the ride. So I got that as 0.167 radians per second, and so we can tell that this isn't really the fastest ride. Then for the experimental acceleration, I got 23.92 meters per second squared, but my theoretical was very off. I got 9.27 meters per second squared, but there's a lot of error in this because of the fact that it was very difficult to take the measurements for this, because depending on where you're standing in the park and how you're looking at it, how tall you are, essentially, and then if you're really good at watching the same cart go around and around with multiple identical ones, it's difficult to get 100% accurate measurements, which kind of throws off the theoretical. Then, so for my apparent weight, which is the force pushing on one person, I got 809.92 newtons. Then for the G's experienced, I got 0.95 G's, and we know this is safe, that the ride is safe, because it's below 4 G's, so we're okay. Then for the force factor, I got 1.377 G's, and we know, and so this means that it's going to be heavier than normal. You're going to feel like something's pushing down on you. You're going to feel heavier. Then for the tension down versus the max speed, the tension down was a lot greater. No, the tension down was a lot less than the max speed. The max speed was 1,888.62 newtons, and then straight down the force was 1,372. So there was a difference of the 1.377, which is a really big, which is like a decent amount. Then for the average speed at max height, I got 5.11 meters per second, so we know that it's going faster. Then the acceleration at max height is 0.26 meters per second squared. Then the work done, based off the law of conservation of energy, which is just work equals GPE, because we know that it's bigger, I got 274,000 joules. And then for the power to max height, I got 7,007.15 joules per second, or watts.